This is a small travel size tester bag that I put together, and it has I've only put 10 testers. You could probably fit a few more in here. So in the bottom section I have about a few testers, and then I have some of the ring sets of showing glosses and colors in case someone wants to look in more detail at the colors. I have some of my free Shutterfly postcards that have the color charts and my contact information. I just have this little FAQ laminated sheet to go over basic popular questions about Lipsense, and then I have one beauty book in here. And then in this middle section I have all the tester supplies. I have swabs and glossy gloss. I have a small flat mirror, instructions on how to do the testing. I have some makeup wipes, alcohol, and some other makeup wipes here. In the top section I have business cards, application instruction cards, and I have one of these sets of lip swatch samples here. And it all fits nice and compact in a little to-go bag.